Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe and sound and taking good care of yourself. I welcome you all to today's HCG2 class, and today we will start with chapter 8. The topics which we will cover is discovery and exploration of Africa and major physical features of Africa. So let's first start with the discovery and exploration of Africa. Africa remained unknown to the world due to inaccessible interior. Here, inaccessible means where you cannot reach easily. Okay, so Africa remained unknown to the world for a long time, so it was often referred as the Dark Continent. Okay, here Dr. David Livingstone, Henry Morton Stanley, and Mungo Park explored the continent in the 19th century, and they were the first explorers of interior of Africa. Okay, next is there are some reasons behind its late discovery. Reasons for the late discovery of Africa are: first is the Sahara Desert in the north is the greatest obstacle for southward movement of people, as it is a vast desert. So here obstacle means something that gets in the way and stop progress. Barrier, hurdle you could say. Fine. So Sahara, the world's largest hot desert, is the greatest obstacle for southward movement of people. So it was difficult for everyone to move towards south for exploration. Next we have interior of Africa. In the Congo basin, and the region lies in torrid zone, receives high temperature, high humidity and large amount of rainfall throughout the year. So this is the reason. Due to this, large area of Africa is densely forested. So large interior of Africa is densely forested, forming a canopy so that even sun rays cannot penetrate. Here canopy is a cover like a roof, okay, or branches and leaves that spread out on the top of the group of trees, forming a type of roof. So that is canopy. So this is why this Africa is a densely forested region and trees are forming a canopy so that even sun rays cannot penetrate. See, this region we have is in the torrid zone. Fine. Next we have climate. Africa has hot and damp climate. Hot and damp is humid climate. Damp here is humid type of climate. Africa has unhealthy climate due to presence of marshes and swamps. Okay, and here marshes and swamps is a wetty soft land, like you could say daldal. Okay, so due to dense vegetation and wetland, many type of insects are present like tsetse fly, and this fly is very harmful, and its bite can cause that disease like uh, sleeping sickness. Okay, which is called as sleeping sickness in Africa. So that bite cause fever, fatigue, swelling. Okay, and mosquitoes cause malaria in this region. Next we have rivers. Rivers here are not useful for navigation. Navigation means which are not useful for transport, which we cannot use for transportation because of rapids and falls. Here rapid is a section of river from where water moves fast over rocks. Okay, here rapids is fast flowing. Sometimes due to rocks, water moves on the steep slopes and move fast, and falls are waterfalls. So due to rapids and falls, rivers are not useful for navigation. Next, tribes. In Africa there are near about 3000 tribes. In interior of Africa there are tribes like Maasai, Zulu, Bushman. Okay, so interior of Africa is inhabited by tribes which are hostile to the foreigners. Hostile means which are unfriendly to the foreigners, okay, or to the unknown people. So people of Zulu tribe is believe in ancestors spirit. Zulu tribe people believe in ancestors spirit, and they believe that offerings and sacrifices should made to the ancestors spirit for protection, good health and happiness of their family. Maasai is a tribe of Africa, mainly lives in Kenya. and they live by herding cattle and goats. They love singing and dancing also. Bushman tribe lived around the Kalahari Desert in South Africa. They were hunters. They were hunter gatherers. Hunt and they hunt. They used to hunt with bows and arrows. Okay, so these are the tribes which are unfriendly to the foreigners. Next, we have major physical features of Africa. Africa is also called as Plateau Continent. Africa is a vast plateau region consisting of old crystalline rocks. Crystalline rock here means fine rocks like crystal. Okay, height of plateaus is more towards southeast in this region. Okay, and gentle towards northeastern part in this region. Fine. So in eastern highlands of Africa has number of valleys, lakes, mountains in this region. Here see Mount Kenya, Mount Ethiopian highlands. Fine. So there are some valleys, lakes, block mountains in this region, and Africa is further divided into major 6 groups of physiographic divisions. Desert region. This is desert region. Fine. Then we have African Plateau region. This region is African Plateau region. Lowlands and basins. This one, green color. Okay, mountains. These are mountains. Here we have highlands. Rift valleys are in this region. Okay, and drainage, which is you can say these blue lines and in between. This is lakes, rivers. So these are the major physical features of Africa, which these features will discuss further in the next video in detail. Thank you.